So what is written here? Pointer, right? Hello everybody, today I'm going to discuss about this concept only, pointer. I mean this video, the pointer topic. What is pointer? Okay, how this pointer concept will be implemented in the programs and how it is helpful in this programming, or how this pointer concept will be used and how it is solve some issues, or some how it is useful, like this. Several points we are going to discuss here in this chapter, pointers, right? First of all, you might have some knowledge about this pointer, some little bit knowledge, or maybe you are a master in this pointer concept, but still I will discuss from the scratch about the pointer. First of all, what is the pointer? Pointer, it is a derived data types, right? Derived data types. Which categories are derived data types category? One more derived data types are there in the C programming. Array. Array is the derived data types, and pointer is also called a derived data types. Because derived data types means from the fundamental data types, little bit modification is done, and this pointer concept is developed, array concept is developed. That's why name is what? Derived data types. It is not completely different. Some similar features is there, some features is matching with fundamental data types like integer, float, character. Some modification, some extra thing is present here. That's why it is called derived data types. Okay, that is not so important at all, right? That things, but here, to understand this pointer concept, right, is very important here to understand it. The meaning is here what? Meaning is pointer, generally if you'll ask to anybody maybe little bit idea about this one, he will tell immediately pointer, sir, it is a variable. It is a variable which which store the address. Concentrate here. Address of another variable. Okay, address of another variable. So what is this address means? Several times I told address about this address. In the memory, okay, whenever I'm writing, suppose I'm writing like this, integer equal to 10. What will be happening, internally in the computer memory, right? In the computer memory, this a variable will be allocate. Some memory will be allocate for this a variables. Sir, how much memory will be allocate for this a variable? A is integer type. A is integer type, and we know for integer type A, the total space consumption is how much? 2 byte. 2 byte space will be consumed, and the name of the variable is A, and the value is 10. With that, this memory location, every memory location in the computer having one unique numbers, and those numbers are unsigned integers. I mean only positive values. Suppose the location number is what? 65,520. This location number nothing but is also called as address number, or address location number, or simply address, or simply location numbers, right? These are which numbers? Are unsigned integers. Unsigned integer. Sir, how to know my a variable store? This is for example, just I told. Suppose it is this memory a for a memory allocated in the location where number is 65 5020. It is not fixed based on your space available in your system computers. Okay, the compiler is going to be allocate the memory. So how to know? Very simple. If I'll print ampersand a, ampersand meaning is what? Address. Ampersand is here called address operator. So if I'll print ampersand a, then immediately that particular address location number will be displayed or output I will get for that. Right? Okay. So what I will do here, this is the general things everybody should know. Internal things what happening while I am writing this particular statement in the programs. Right? Now here pointer is what? Sir, pointer is a variable again. Okay, pointer is a variable. Suppose this is a variable. This is a variable, pointer variable, suppose, and which store address of another variable. So which one is the address? Suppose A is the another variable here. Which one is the address? Sir? This one is the address, right? 65 520. That means this value will be stored here in this container. Okay, this value will be stored here, nothing but 65 520. Then this variable is called as what? It will be called as pointer, or it is called pointer variable. Okay, anything, pointer or pointer variable. Address will be stored here. It's called pointer variables. This concept is only there in the pointer. Sir, let me give you one general examples here so that the topic will be very much clear. Right? Observe. This is the this is some actually in the programming these things is going to be happen, right? Some general examples I will give you here. Suppose this is your college, right? This is your college. uh, this is the college area, right? Here one building, here another building, like this college, and this is the main gate. Suppose this is the main gate. Okay, main gate. This one is the main gate of your college. Okay, main gate of your college. And here it is written the college name is what? College name is, suppose written any college, XYZ college, suppose. The college name is suppose XYZ Engineering College. Right? XYZ Engineering College. And this is the route, suppose. This one is the route. This one is the route. College route, this. And here one market is there. Okay, here one market is there. This is the some marketplace. Some bus stop will be there. One people came. Okay, he want to go to this college. Okay, he get down from the bus at this marketplace, and he will go to, you try to go, or he is searching for this college, but immediately he found one board here, right? In one board he found, in that board some like this arrow mark direction will be there, and it is written here what? XYZ, right? Engineering College, right? This it is written there, and this is the board he found like this, right? So what this person, once he came to know, this is the actually, 1 minute guys. Right? Once he came to know this or observe this board, then what will be happen? No need to ask anybody. No need to ask anybody the college address. Immediately he will follow the direction of this arrow mark, and he will going to reach the college like this. He will reach the college here like this. Okay na? for this board for this board, the finding of this college become very easy for this particular persons. Okay, can I say in this example, this particular college address stored in this board, this particular college address, XYZ engineering college address stored in this board, because this person is totally unknown about where is the college. Okay, he's supposed to ask the address of the college, but immediately he observed this board. That means no need to ask the address, right? That means the board is storing what? Address of this college, right? Sir, in this example, can I say this is a pointer which is storing the address, okay, which is storing the address of this college, right? So this is called as what? Pointer, which is storing the address of the college. In the same manner, programmatic style, I given the example just before it. A address is stored in that pointer variables, right? Let me write one program here so that you can easily understand this. Observe what I'm writing here. Has include, okay, has include stdio.h and has include conio.h. So void main bracket start. So get ch function, and here you write one more function. You write clr rscr function. This is the normal procedure of writing the program, sir. Observe. I will write here what? Suppose integer a equal to 10, comma, and I will write here integer star p. What is this one? Star p. Integer star p. Sir, here integer star p is called pointer variable, and a equal to 10 it is called normal variable, right? Or local variable. Both are local. Pointer variable also here local, and normal variable a is also local, because they are declared inside the main function. So both are local variable, and it is a is the normal variable, p is the pointer variable. Sir, how to know it is a pointer variable? Very simple. Star symbol is there, no? So this star symbol indicates that this p is a pointer variable. Compulsory star symbol must be there. Compulsory star symbol must be there to identify it is not a normal variable, rather it is a pointer variable. So right now p is a pointer variable in this program, a equal to normal variable. Just I explain, sir, what is the role of the pointer variable? It can store the address of normal variable. I'll write p equal to ampersand a. Ampersand is here called what? Ampersand is called address operator. So address of a I'm storing inside the p. Why you are storing inside the p? I will tell that. No, don't. Okay. So p equal to ampersand a. Now, right now, what I will do, sir, print a point, very important point. How pointer variable can be identified? Sir, star symbol. Pointer variable is declared by the help of star symbol. Sorry, point percentile E A, percentile D, percentile D. Or I will write like this. Okay, A value is percentile D A. Sir, what output I will get? Okay, here comma, after the comma is there. A value is percentile D A. So what will be the output here? Output is 10 only. A value 10 assigned, 10 only. So now observe, I will write one more statement here. Printf a value is percentile d, comma star p, comma star p. So what is the output of the second printf function? Again 10. 10 will be printed here. Again 10 will be printed here. Right? So two ways. One is what? Directly by the variable name a, I'm printing the a value 10 I will get here. And here indirectly I'm printing the value 10 here, but through which variable? Pointer variable. Okay. Pointer store the address. I'm taking the help of that address to print the value of a, not directly from the name of the a, through the pointer variable. Sir, in this two case, 10 10 will be printed, but which one is the good one? No, second one is the good one, because in second one the value a is accessing through the address number, not by the direct variable a. Right? Address number, remember I told already I told, to find out a particular things from the address number is quite easy. Okay, quite easy than by its name. One general example also I will give you. Observe here. Suppose, okay, suppose you have two letters like this. Two letter. Right? Letter is there. Two letter is there. Okay, two letter is there. Observe. Here in this letter, what is written, sir? Suppose name written. Name equal to, suppose, okay, Subhrajit. Okay, very big is coming. Okay, no problem. I will reduce the letter size here. Okay, name is written Subhrajit, and written what, sir? Colony suppose written here, colony, 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 colony is XYZ colony, XYZ colony, and uh, there um, flat flat name is written, or okay, flat, why again big names came? Okay, flat name is suppose PQRS, flat, PQRS flat. And whereas in the other side, in this letter, it is written what? Okay, flat number 101. That's it. Flat number 101, colony what, XYZ. Now in this two approach, which approach will be easy for the postman to drop the letter for this particular person, Subhrajit? Okay, for this particular persons, which approach, which address will be suitable? Here name is there, but here flat number is there. Definitely, sir, this approach will be more comfortable than this one. Why? Because in the same name, in the same PQRS flat, maybe 3 members or 4 members will be there, but a flat number 101, how many will be there? Only one. So finding the particular value, I mean particular person by the numbers, become very easy by the particular name. The same concept is here. Directly I'm printing here what? The A value. Directly I'm printing here by name A. Variable name is A, by A. And here the same A value I'm directly printing by the pointer variable. Pointer store what? Address, address number of that normal variables. So definitely through this pointer approach, printing the value of A become very easy, very simple, very, or within less time. Execution time will be reduces. Pointer concept. Observe here, Alt F9. Here on error coming. Where get CH. Bracket not end here. Now see Alt F9. Control F9. Okay, /n I will use. Alt F9, Control F9. See, printed or not, A value is 10. A value is 10, but here A value direct by from the name, here from the pointer variable. Sir, what is this star here? Here star, already star I have used here to indicate that this P is a what? P is a pointer variable. Again, sir, star here what? Suppose I will write P here. Okay, P here. Observe. P is generally store what? Address of variable A. Observe address printing or not. Alt F9, Control F9. See 65,524. That means A location address is where 65,524. Right. So this is the address and this one is the value. Value means star. Star. Address means only P. Sir, what is the meaning of star here? Now here in this line, the meaning of star is what? Declaration. It is a pointer variable declared. But here star is meaning is what? It is called dereferential or indirection operators. Right? I will write here something. Right? It is a derived data types. It is a variable to store the address of another variables. Right? It is store the address of another variables. Next, what is will write? Okay, I can write here. It is a derived data types. It is a variable we store the address of another variable. It is denoted by, or it is declared by using a symbol. Okay, using star symbol. Using which symbol? Star symbol. Symbol. So example which one? Example. Sorry, integer star p1 comma star p2 like this. I can declare this one. Here, okay, here star is used to declare the pointer variable. Declare the pointer. Then what is the next? What is the one more function of this star? Sir, other function of this star is what? Of this star is star is what? It is act as indirection operator or redirection operator or dereferencing referencing referencing operator, or it is also called value at or value in that address. This much names are the redirection, dereferencing operators, or a value in that address. Or observe this example. I have written here programs, right? Observe. See, this is the example, sir. Okay, one more line. Okay, percentile. Okay, printf skill. I'll explain this one there. Observe. Okay. See here. Control N. See here. What is the example here? This is my program right now. Control X, Control N. Observe. Sir, in this program, what is the variable A? A container will be created here. The variable name is what? A. One minute. Letter size is very small. A. Okay, this container name is A. What is the value, sir? 10. And here I told one address location number for this container 65,524 suppose. Then one more variable is there star P. For that also, one more container will be created. What is the name of this container? P. And suppose address number is suppose anything 65 528 anything. And what is going to store here value? Observe this line. Which lines are? Observe this line. Observe P equal to ampersand A. That means ampersand A means address of A. Address of A is which one? This one is the address of A. So this address of A store in P. P equal to store in P. That means what is the value here? 65 524. Now in the program, I'm writing what? Percentile D value of A print. A value is what? Right now A value is what? A value 10 or not? 10 printed. Second one A value is what? Star P. Star P. Here, sir, P means what? P value. P value is which one? This one is the P value. And star P means, here star P means the value at this address. Sir, P value is what? 65,524. Star P means because it is the address number. 65,524 is the address number of A. Pointer variable means it will store the address. Address number is 65,524. Star means what? Star means in this address, in this 65,524, which value is stored? Observe in this 65,524 address, which value is stored? 10 or not? So star P means again 10 will be printed. Okay? Again 10 will be printed. These things is happening internally. Internally, these things is going to be happening here. Okay. So this is the program. Observe. I'll write two more statement here. So already value of A is this one, and suppose printf percentile U comma ampersand of A. See, here ampersand of A I have written, and here I'm writing suppose slash n. Now here also slash n. Now observe what is the ampersand of A means A address. If I'll print here printf P value only. P value is percentile U. P value is percentile U. That's a printf bracket not start. Percentile U, comma P. What is the P values are here? Observe. Carefully observe this one. Observe. What is the P value? P value is what? 65,524. Okay. P value is 65,524 here. That means 65,524 is nothing but address of A. Address of A variable is going to print here. Observe this program. See, ampersand A, address of A, and P is what? Storing the address. Now, this two value comes to same. Observe Alt F9. No error. Control F9. See, 65,524 printed in the A address, and P value is also what? 65,524. That means pointer store the address of another variable. This is the concept. So one more thing I will tell you here. Suppose by writing this much portion, okay, integer A equal to 10 star P equal to ampersand A, a bond will be developed between these two containers. Which two container? This container and this container. These two container, a bond is going to be set up. This container, P container with A container, and A container with P container, a bond will be set up. So what is the benefit of this bond? If any changes I will do in the A container, okay, any changes I will do in the A container, that will be reflected in the P container, and any changes I will do in the P container, that will be reflected in the A container. Observe, sir, program I will tell. Suppose what I am doing here, uh, mm, with these two line I am deleting. Not required. Only P value, A value is required. Now I am doing here, sir, A equal to 30. What is the A value earlier? 10. So A value is 10. So star P also 10. Now A value is 30. So if A value is 30, is this any reflection is going to be happen in P container? Obviously, 100% observe. I am print a percentile D, comma, okay, double quotation start, percentile D, comma, star P, observe. A value I changed here 10 to 30, but if I print star P, it will print 30 or it is 10 only. Observe here, Alt F9, Control F9. What is printed? 30 printed now. A value is 10, A value is 10. Earlier, A value is 10, P value is 10. Now A 30. So star B become automatically 30. That means some bond is there between these two containers. Suppose sir, this time I will do star P equal to 30. Star P equal to 30. Star P equal to 30. And here I will print A. Observe, Alt F9. A value become what? See, 30 or not? But here I changed which value? Star P value. But A in the A container also value is reflected. In the previous example, I changed A value, but in P container also the value is reflected, right? This is called what? Bonding. Bonding of this normal variable and linking of this normal variable with the pointer variables. This much, right? So these things will be going to be happen here. So I conclude here in this today. Up to this next video, I will discuss about the few more concept about the pointer. So please take care and bye bye.